Here's now Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Good Monday evening, everyone. Taking a live look outside at the smoke plume from the hog fire near Susanville, and it continues to climb. You can see that pyrocumulus cloud just going higher and higher in the atmosphere with all this smoke in the air. That is why we once again have another dense smoke advisory. It just continues. It was going to go until 11 o'clock this morning, now until 11 o'clock tomorrow morning at least. It may be extended also because this fire is still out of control. Keep that in mind. Some quarter-mile visibility a problem. Also, if you have breathing problems, make sure you stay indoors and stay out of that smoke. We still have more fire danger in the forecast. Temperatures a little bit cooler tomorrow, but still hot for everybody. 90s to triple digits. The wind not too breezy, generally less than 20 miles an hour, which is good to see. Humidity not as low as it's been, 15 to 30%, but everything is so dry. It's still going to be hot. We still have high fire danger in the forecast, especially in our eastern counties. We have red flag warnings out for Lassen County, eastern Plumas County, Shasta County too. That lasts from 1 o'clock until 9 o'clock tomorrow night. And then the areas in pink: Modoc County, eastern Siskiyou County, that's a fire weather watch. It also includes the red flag warning areas. That's for Wednesday. We still have the potential for some isolated thunderstorms, and those lightning strikes could cause some more fires, which we certainly do not need. Right now, 100 degrees in Redding. It's 91 degrees in Chico, 81 degrees in Truckee, 87 degrees in Paradise, and 92 degrees in Mount Shasta. Most of that wind, though, thankfully, less than 15 miles an hour. A little bit stronger in Redding at 16, but it will be weakening as we move through the next several hours. But we have some active weather. We have some showers and thunderstorms breaking out. We've had a few near Lassen Peak, and most of those are already dissipating right now, as you can see in portions of Shasta County. But look at this, that pyrocumulus cloud that I showed you. This is the hog fire. We can see it on the radar. It just continues to bubble right up, so it looks like a thunderstorm. That's all that smoke and also the cloud itself that is continuing to build up. Looking at our futurecast hour by hour, once again, after a quiet morning tomorrow, we'll have more chances for showers and thunderstorms bubbling up on the east slopes of the Sierra again tomorrow afternoon, and to a lesser extent Wednesday afternoon. Still possible, but just not quite as widespreading, as we're going to have more hot weather in the forecast too. So here's your forecast for tomorrow. For the northern mountains, it's going to be hot again, slightly cooler than today. 90s, more triple digits, 100 degrees for a high in Hayfork. For the Sierra, we're going to have another hot and smoky day. Also isolated thunderstorms still in the forecast with highs in the 90s. Speaking of which, that's going to be Paradise's high tomorrow with a high overnight low of 68 degrees. And for the valley tonight, we'll have a fairly clear sky, some smoke in the air. Overnight lows in the upper 60s. For tomorrow, another hot day, just slightly cooler than this afternoon. A high of 102 for Redding, 100 degrees for Red Bluff. For the Chico area, lows mainly in the mid 60s on average tomorrow morning, with a little bit of smoke in the air, but not quite as bad as Shasta County will have it. And for highs tomorrow, double digits, mid to upper 90s, 95 degrees for a high in Chico. We're going to keep it in the 90s all the way through Monday. Some breezes Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Overnight lows will be mostly in the 60s. And for Redding, we also have mainly triple digits, but Thursday, a little bit cooler with a high of 98 degrees. But as you can see, more triple digit heat all the way through early next week.
Thanks, Jason.